Hello and a very good evening everyone. Today I will be explaining on how to take a proper and a really good photo using your smartphone, maybe iPhone or Android phones. As we know, to get a really good picture is really hard. You have to really set the exposure, the focus and everything. So today I will explain to you all the tips. I'm going to show you the tips on how to take a really good photo. So this is an iPhone 5S. So it takes really good photos. Now I'm going to show you how to do it, how to take good photos using your iPhone. First, you have to set the exposure. You tap on the screen for a long time until you get EA and AF lock. Then you can control it. Brighter, dimmer, brighter and dimmer. Okay, the next step is to use the HDR, which is high definition. So, to do that, on the top, you have the HDR button. Turn it on. There. When you take a picture, it becomes really nice. Like that. The next step is to steady your hand. Whenever taking a photo or a picture, you have to really steady your hand. So meaning that you have to be steady. You cannot shake. Yes. The next step is to use the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is when you use the grid lines on your camera. Look at this. The grid lines. So it becomes easy for you to set which part of the thing you want to take the photo of will be in. Make sure it's in the middle so it's nice. The next step is to take photo in bursts. When you take photo in bursts, burst means you take a lot of photo in just a tap. It's like a gun. Okay? So when we take a photo in burst, when we save it, we can have a lot of choices. So we can choose which photo is the best. For example, yeah, you see? A lot of photos. The next step is to explore your default camera app, the app that has been pre-installed by the developer. As you can see, there are photo, video, slow-mo, time-lapse, and there are also a lot of other square. And as you can see in photo, you can have a lot of filters. Okay, so for the final step is that you can install any third-party camera app like Beauty Plus, PixArt, and more things like that. It can help you edit better and take better photos rather than using your default camera app. So, those are all the steps that I mainly use in taking good photos. So all the steps that I have explained just now, you can use them and apply it in your daily routine. If you're a photographer, you would love to use all those tips. So thank you very much. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. I'm Nur Muhammad Iqbal and I'm signing out. Thank you and very goodbye.